How to use your Noise Shots Nuvo wireless headphones. Just got your new Shots Nuvo wireless headphones? To set them up, first make sure your smartphone and your Shots Nuvo are right next to each other, and your headphones are fully charged. Done? Let's get started. Power on. Remove earbuds from charging case. The earbuds will automatically turn on once removed from the charging case. Power off. Place earbuds inside charging case. The earbuds will automatically turn off once placed inside the charging case. Pairing. Remove earbuds from charging case. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone or laptop and open the Bluetooth menu. Select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Noise Shots Nuvo. Your Shots Nuvo are now paired with your device and ready to use.